Hey guys, Todd Ault here, Wall Street veteran, business soul brother, and heartfelt entrepreneur. What's a soul brother? Well, the dictionary says it's a man's thoughts, feelings, and attitude that closely match another. A kindred spirit. And if you're an entrepreneur, then I'm a kindred spirit. Why am I bringing this up? Because I recently came across a quote from Robert Iger, CEO of Walt Disney. He said the heart and soul of a company is creativity and innovation. And that got me thinking, how many creators and innovators do I have working for me? Who do I have around me that represents the heart and soul of my company? How many creators and innovators do I surround myself with in my daily life? Well, here's a scary thought. Am I it? Am I the only one? There's a pretty deep quote from Confucius, who was an ancient Chinese philosopher. Confucius said, if you're the smartest person in the room, then you're in the wrong room. Wow! Timeless wisdom. Both of these men, who lived thousands of years apart, knew that the secret to success was surrounding yourself with creators and innovators. Often people smarter than yourself. So as you build your business, ask yourself this. Am I surrounding myself with creators and innovators? Or am I always the smartest one in the room? If the answer is no to the first question and yes to the second, time to find yourself another room. I've given you gold, Confucius gold. Confucius says, run with it.